Hello, my lovely people all over the world. Welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money, real cash online. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on your time zone. Welcome to Online Money Hunter. My name remains Zekoye Karafed. You do that left turn to feed home. Okay, please make sure you subscribe to this channel because in this channel I'll be showing you a lot on how to make money online. Okay, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch and you'll be the first person to take action. Being the first person to take action will make you be the first person to make money from what I'm about to show you. Okay, we are here. I hunt for the website that really pay. So after researching and hunting, I found this website that really make a lot of people, some cash. Okay, this website will not make you a millionaire, but at least with this website you can feed for the day. Okay, so after I'm show you everything you need to know about this website, in the description the link to register for this website is there, so make sure you visit the description so that you can get started. Okay, without wasting much of our time, this video I will make it very short because I want you to understand the website is very simple to understand. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's go to the website. Okay, let me just type the name. Okay, side sorry okay, this is the name of the website, Sidegig.ng. That's to tell you that this is run in Nigeria, and this website has been existing for years now, and since that people have been making money. I don't understand. So this website is all about side gig, where you go to do some micro job like signing up or just liking some comments. Okay, that's what this website is all about. Just once you are here, you register. Registration is very simple. Okay, you register with 500 naira. The reason why you pay 500 naira is for them to know that you are serious. Okay, for them to know that you are serious and you are not here to waste their time. So make sure you register. Is just 500 naira. Okay, the minimum of, if you want to withdraw from this website, the minimum you can withdraw is just 4,000 naira up. Okay, but if you have like 3, 4, 500, 1,000, 2,000, okay, if you have like 2,000 naira, the only thing you need to do is just to use it to buy card on the website. You can buy card. Okay, so after going through all those things, because I don't want us to waste time on this video. Okay, sorry. Okay, like I said, I just come across this website. Okay, I just come across it. I haven't done anything yet. I just registered, and as you can see, if you refer your friends, you earn 50 naira from it. Okay, so make sure you just make sure you register with my link here. Okay, the link is in the description. Okay, see, the only thing you can be doing in this website, you can only like some videos or pictures in Instagram. Okay, and they pay it 2 naira. Okay, 2 naira, 2 naira, 3 naira. Okay, 3 naira. Okay, this is what you just, once you are there, just read the instruction. Once you are there, do the work. Okay, as you can see, a lot of people have been doing this work. It's even better than sitting at home, and you can still do the same thing you are doing here for free. Okay, you can still do it in the Instagram. Once some of your friends post something, you comment. That's the only thing you do here. You just like people's comments. Okay, if someone upload video, you go there and like it. Very simple, and they'll pay you 3 naira. You think that this money is too small? It's too small, yes, but if you keep doing it, let's say for a week, you have a lot of money. Okay, so it's better than sitting at home. What I do here is that once I see something that is working, I'll come here direct and show you how I do it. And once you do the same thing that I did, you get the same results. Okay, I'll even show you more way to make money with this website. Okay, this website has been existing since 2019. Okay, so to show you that this website is legit. Okay, this is my dashboard. Okay, like I said before, I just started, and I think there's a need to show you what I'm doing, so that maybe in next 2, 3, 4 days I will show you the hacks that I used to, because in this website I must make more than 10,000 naira in just 3 days. Okay, 10,000, more than 10,000 naira. Okay, but I'll show you what you will be doing. Okay, you have a lot of friends on Instagram. The only thing you need to tell them that I can, bring a lot of people to your Instagram account to like your post. Are you getting me? Then you charge them. Then once you charge them, you come here to, use their link, the link of their page. Okay? You use it to, hire some people here to do the job. And they will be paying you, and you will be paying those people like 20 naira, 20, okay? 2 naira, okay? You will be paying them 2 naira. The highest here is 3 naira, okay? It's even better that you hire those people. That's why in my videos, I show you how to hire people. I don't show you how to do this work. You need to be boss. The guy that will be hiring people, that's what in all my video, I show you the tricks on how to become the boss. But if you can't make it like becoming a boss, you can just do the small task here, okay? It's even better than be sitting at home and doing nothing. Okay, so this website really pay. Okay, the website really pay. So all you need to do is just to register. Registration is free. After registration, you just upgrade to your account so that you can start, doing all this micro job. Okay, you need to upgrade your account. Okay, so all you need to do is go to the description. You will see the link to register. Okay, once you register, you will start doing the job, because the job is very simple and understandable. Registration is very simple. Okay, registration is very simple. Okay, I want to show you something. Okay, the registration. Okay, let me show you how to sign up. Okay, your full name, your username, okay, email address, phone number, and password. Then you confirm your password, then sign up. It's very simple. It's very simple to do. Then once you are in, you do some small task like liking someone's account. So the website is very fantastic and understandable. All you need to do is just to make sure that you sign up with the link below and start working immediately. In this channel, we don't dull, we just do the things we need to do, and the result is that money that we will be making. Okay, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, because in this channel I show you a lot of ways to make money, the real money. Okay, whatever I show you here is what I have done, and once you do the same thing that I have done, you will get the same answer. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you. Like I said, this video will be very short. Okay, but when I start making a lot of money with this website, I will show you another tricks that you'll be also using. Okay, just make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. Bless.